y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be installing this wig that I was sent from YWigs.com. They sent me out a Kinky straight full lace wig. This is a 20-inch 150% density wig. The lace color is a medium brown, and this wig did come with the pre-made fake scalp already attached. Also, the knots came bleached, which was awesome. So all I had to do was customize the hairline to my liking. It also comes with a detachable elastic band. But yeah, I'm going to leave all of the information and specs for this unit down below if any of you are interested in knowing more about this wig. So for this install, I did use glue to install it. So what I'm doing right now is marking the hairline with a white eyeliner pencil just to outline the hairline on the wig. And I'm using GHOSTBOND XL. And I'm using like a makeup sponge that you can get from like Walmart or Target to apply it. And yeah, I'm just applying it. I'm pretty sure y'all have seen plenty of tutorials on how to install a wig using glue. But I wanted to say off the rip that I love GHOSTBOND glue, y'all. Like, I've tried Bold. Not shaming Bold. Bold is good too. But GHOSTBOND, especially the XL or the one that I tried, I really like it, y'all. I wore my wig for about 3 days without removing it. I did not have to apply any extra glue to it to fix it up. It stayed in place. I mean, it was hot as heck over the weekend when I wore it. It stayed in place. Also, the takedown process, it was so easy to remove this wig, and it was not messy at all. Like, it was not a lot of residue left over. But yeah, if you've tried GHOSTBOND before, let me know your experience. Do you like it? Do you not like it? If you don't use it, what glue do you prefer? I've been wanting to use glue again just to practice and get more familiar with using glue again. So yeah, if you have a favorite, let me know down below. I'm interested in trying different glues. Y'all let me know. Right here, I'm just using a Q-tip with alcohol on it to wipe away the white dots that I use to trace out the hairline. And here I'm just going in with my Care wax stick to lay down my edges and press them out with my hot comb. Next, I'm pulling out my hairs to do my baby hairs with. So I pull out some hair and cut it with the razor, and I just do the whole perimeter of my hairline. I'm using my Eco Styler gel to do my baby hairs. And y'all know I like to alternate in between edge brush and mascara wand to style up my baby hairs. Oh yes, y'all, one thing I wanted to say. So this wig, as I mentioned in the beginning, it does come with a fake scalp, like the fake scalp technique already attached. The fake scalp material that was attached to the wig, it's cool. It's cool. Now with me, y'all know I love to pluck my my hairline. Like, I like a finer hairline, especially on the sides. So with me doing that, it caused the fake scalp material to show more. And because the fake scalp material was not my skin tone, or it didn't match my skin tone, it kind of showed on the sides. Now, if you're one that likes your hairline to be full and you preferred the hairline how it was in the beginning of the video, then the fake scalp, it wouldn't really mess up your install, or it wouldn't, like, I guess, wouldn't make any difference for you. But for me, since I did pluck it and I took it past that cap, it kind of showed, and it was kind of like I wasn't feeling that part. But yeah, it wasn't my color. I'm pretty sure I could have tinted it to make it match. I tried to use makeup, but that didn't really suffice. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that the face scalp was cool. Now me personally, I could do without it because I prefer to do the ball cap method. But if you're someone that does not like to do the ball cap method and you just want something already attached and you want to make your installs or your wigs easier for you to install, then it's cool. But for me, I just prefer to do the ball cap method. So I just wanted to mention that. Also, the lace that comes on the wig, the lace that's in the very front, I love the lace. The lace was so thin. It matched my skin tone to the T. I really didn't have to use makeup to blend it with my skin. The only reason why I did use makeup was because of that material, that fake scalp material. I was trying to like camouflage that, but it kind of failed. But I made it do what it do. But their lace is really really good, y'all. They have some great lace. I've tried a wig from them before, and the lace was the same quality. So I love their lace, y'all. It's really thin and it's really it's just really bomb. Oh, another thing, since I'm seeing myself flat iron this hair on camera, as you saw at the beginning, the hair did come in a kinky straight texture, and I pressed it out before I did the video, and I put the part in after the fact so that the wig comes regular. The hair pressed out really nice. It pressed out really good. I didn't have to do many passes throughout the hair to get it as straight as it is on camera. So yeah, the hair presses out really good, and I love the texture. It mimics like relaxed hair or natural hair that's pressed out so much. I really enjoyed this texture. But this is pretty much a wrap for the video. Again, thank you to YWigs for sending me out this wig. I really did enjoy it. If you all are interested in this wig, the specs and information will be in the description box, of course. If y'all like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know how you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I love y'all so much. I'm going to talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.